solution of this question?
मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे लेकिन उसमें एक का डिफरेंस है.
Okay, it's 3 and 4. I think it's difficult to multiply it by 3 and multiply it by 4. Like we have to solve both of the equations. Leave it. Come towards y square. It is having 1 y square and it is having 5 y square. So by what number will we multiply this equation to make it equal?
5.
So what will be my statement here?
Multiply equation 2 by 5.
Yes, very good. Multiply equation 2 by 5. Must write equation. It means you are saying about equation and it's mean it is a constant number that you are going to multiply to make it the coefficient of that equation. 5 times 3x square plus y square is equals to 14. 5 times 3 is 15x square plus it is 5y square is equals to 14 times 5 is 70. Let it be equation number 3. Now you have solved equation number 2. It means it is eliminated from the question. Okay. Now check equation number 1 is left and equation number 3. 5y square, sorry. 5y square. Now equation number 1 is having 4x square minus 5y square and equation number 3 is having 15x square plus 5y square that is equals to 70. Which equation is bigger and which is smaller?
Equation 3 is bigger, equation 1 is smaller.
So what will be my statement? Before writing the statement, you need to check the signs of the equal coefficient. In the first equation, I am having minus 5y square and in the second equation, I am having plus 5y square. Signs are changed. If the signs are same, then we need to subtract because it will change their sign and they will be cancelled out. If the signs are already changed, no need to change their sign. So what will we do then?
Add.
Add. So here you will say add equation number 1 and equation number 3. While adding, it's up to you whatever equation you write first. No problem. So 4 times x square minus 5y square is equals to 6. And equation number 3 was 15x square plus 5y square is equals to 70. As we are adding, no need to change their sign. So 70 and 6 will be 76. Plus minus cancellation property of addition used, cancelled here. 15 plus 4 will be 19x square. So 19 times x square is equals to 76. We are needed the answer for x square. It will be 76 divided by 19. What it will be? 4. 76 divided by 9. What it will be?
Yes, ma'am. 4.
It is 4. 19 times 1 is 19 and 19 times 4 is, so it is 4. So here we are having the value for x square, that is 4. To find out the answer for x, you will apply square root on both sides. Apply square root on both sides. So you will say x square root is equals to 4 and square root. The square and square root will be cancelled out. It is plus minus 2. Okay? Answer for x we got here. Now to get the answer for y, what equation will you use? Huh?
Equation 2.
Any of the equation. Okay, you want to use equation number 2, fine. Now you will say put what will I put here?
X square is equal to 4.
Put x square is equals to 4 in equation number 2. Equation number 2 that I am having is 3x square plus y square is equals to 14. So at the place of x square, we will put its value, that is 4 plus y square is equals to 14. 4 times 3 is 12 plus y square is equals to 14. So it is y square is 14 minus 12. It is 2. Now apply again square root on both sides. Must write down the statement. Apply square root on both sides. So it is y square root is equals to square root of 2. This will be cancelled out and y is plus minus square root 2. Here we need to write down solution set for x, y. Solution for x is plus minus 2 and solution for y is plus minus square root 2. This is your answer. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Done?
G.
Okay. Okay, beta. Now check. What are simpler coefficients that we can solve? It is 7 and 2. 7 doesn't come in the table of 2. Okay. Neither we can make this 2 7. No. Come towards this. 3 and 5. 5 doesn't come in the table of 3. Similarly, 3 doesn't come in the table of 5. So what do we do? For this type of equations, we will multiply both of the equations by a coefficient that we will think. Now it's up to you. Rather you make x square equal. For this type of equations, you will multiply the coefficient of first equation by equation number 2 and the coefficient of second equation by equation number 1. Rather you do for x square, rather you do for y square. What do you say?
ये नहीं समझ आई.
नहीं समझ आई? Okay, think. Listen, it is 7 and it is 2. 7 doesn't come in the table of 2. Like we take LCM. You need to take LCM.
Yes, ma'am.
Consider LCM of 7 and 2 will be 14. It's mean here we will multiply this equation number 1 by such a number that will give us 14. And similarly, we will multiply this equation by such a number that will also give 14.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Same is the case here. Take the LCM of 5 and 3. 5 and 3 will be 15. Now here for equation number 1, you need to multiply equation number 1 by such a coefficient that will give you 15. Similarly, for equation number 2, you need to multiply equation number 2 by such a number that will give you 15. So it's up to you now if you make the coefficients of x square same or of y square same.
X square करो.
X square, okay. So here you will say multiply equation number 1 by 2 because you are saying that you will make the coefficient of x square same. It is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Okay, and 2 times 7 is also 14. Here in equation number 1, we are having 7, so we need to multiply it by 2. 2 is missing. So multiply equation number 1 by 2. 2 times 7x square minus 2 times 3 is 6y, sorry, it's 3. 3y square is equals to 4. After multiplying, it will be 14x square minus 6y square is equals to 8. Let it be equation number 3 and you have done equation number 1. Now same is the case for this too. Now you will say one more statement, one more step is there. You will say multiply equation number 2 by
7.
7. Very good. Now you will multiply this equation by 7. So here you will write 7 times 2x square plus 5y square. Please check the signs of coefficients from your book. Let it be equation number, sorry, after multiplying. 2 times 7 is 14x square plus 5 times 7 is 35y square is equals to 7 times 7, that is 49. It will be your equation number 4. Now it's mean you also have finished equation number 1. Now you are having equation number 4 and 3. Which equation is bigger, which is small from 3 or 4?
First, equation 4 is bigger.
Bigger. Okay. Now you will check the signs of the equal coefficients that you have made. It is 14x square, the sign of it is plus. Similarly, it is 14x square, sign of it is also plus. Plus and plus. Signs are same. What do we do?
Add.
Addition is done when signs are changed. For opposite signs addition we do. But for same signs we will do subtraction. So here you will do subtract equation number 3 which is small from equation number 4 which is bigger. So you will write equation number 4 first. That is 14x square plus 35 y square is equals to 49. Okay, and the other equation is 14x square minus 6y square is equals to 8. Here we need to change the signs. This will be cancelled out. 35 plus 6 is 41 y square is equals to 49 minus 8 is also 41. Clear, Huda?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
No.
Is this thing clear? Multiplication of two equations.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will get the answer for y, that is 41 by 41. Here 41 will be cancelled out by 41 and y square is equals to 1. What will be the answer for y here? Do I need to write?
Plus minus 1.
Yes. Y is equals to plus minus 1. Okay. Okay. Now what equation will you use? 1, 2, 3 or 4 to get the answer of x? Whatever equation you use. You want to use 2? Okay, fine. No
Yes, ma'am.
problem. Okay. Then you will say put x square is equals to 1. Sorry, we got the answer for y. Y square is equals to 1 in equation number 2. Equation number 2 was 2x square plus 5y square is equals to 7. So it is 2 times x square plus 5 times 1 is equals to 7. 2x square plus 5 is equals to 7. This plus 5 will be subtracted. 2x square is equals to 7 minus 5 is 2 is equals to 2x square, and answer for x square is equals to 2 by 2. This 2 will be cancelled out by 1, cancellation property of multiplication. X square is equals to 1, and what will be the answer for x now?
Plus minus 1.
Plus minus 1. So here we will write down the solution set, that is for x and y. Answer for x is plus minus 1 and answer for y is plus minus 1. This is it. These were the answers. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
G.
Okay. Now we take come towards next question. Okay, beta. Now look, in the previous equations, we were having x square, one coefficient of x square, and the other one was of y square. Okay? But here we are having x square, that is y square, but here this term is extra, 4xy. For this type of equations, you need to check, can we do factorization or simplest form of there or not. From there, we can get the solution set of 1. This equation cannot be factorized because no variable is repeated. Your variable should be repeated here with the constant number. Okay? We cannot factorize it. Come towards this one. Here with the constant number, like it was, if we suppose that it is the constant number, here variables are repeated. Here for this type of equation, you can do factorization. When the variables are repeated, listen to me carefully. When the variables are repeated, like x is repeated here, y is repeated here. So here we can do factorization. And equation is already, let standard form is equals to 0. Quadratic equation is there. Apply factorization upon it. But is it clear why we cannot factorize equation number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Because no variable is repeated there with the constant number. From equation number 2, it is x square plus 4xy minus 5y square is equals to 0. Now check, can we factorize it, or what type of factorization will be there?
X square plus x square minus 5
Uh,
minus y.
Plus 5.
Plus.
5 ones are 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, so here we will write x square minus xy plus 5xy minus 5y square is equals to 0. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here we are having 4 terms. X will be common, x minus y. Plus here we are having y as common. So it will be again x minus y is equals to 0. From here we will say x minus y into x plus 5y is equals to 0. From here you will say x minus y is equals to 0, or x is equals to x plus 5y is equals to 0. From here answer for x is y, and from here answer for x is minus 5y. We got the solution for x. Here it is saying x is equals to y, and here it is saying x is equals to minus 5y. Now you will use these two, put them in equation number 1 to get the answer of any of the variables. Rather you put x is equals to y in equation number 1, and here you will put x is equals to minus 5y in equation number 1. You will make two portions as you are having two answers for x. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When x is equals to y, similarly x is equals to minus 5y, you will say when, same is the case here, when. Then from equation number 1, because we got these values from equation number 2. Then from equation number 1, equation number 1 was x square plus 2y square is equals to 3. X square plus 2y square is equals to 3. Same is the case here, x square plus 2y square is equals to 3. At the place of x square, when we will put y, it will be y square plus 2y square is equals to 3, and here it will be minus 5y whole square plus 2y square is equals to 3. It is 3y square is equals to 3, y square is equals to 3 by 3. Here this 3 will be cancelled out by 3, y square is equals to 1, and answer for y is plus minus 1. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. From here it will be square of minus is plus, square of 5 is 25, y square plus 2y square is equals to 3. 25 and 2 will be 27, y square is equals to 3, and answer for y square is 3 by 27, that is 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are. Y square is equals to 1 over 9. What will be the answer for y here?
Uh, plus minus 1 by 3.
Plus minus 1 by 3. Okay, now here we are having the answer for y in the form of constant numbers. But here the answer for x was in the form of variable. Now re-put your answer to get the answer of x. Answer means the constant number. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If x is equals to y, and y is equals to plus minus 1, so it implies that x is also equals to plus minus 1. Can we say?
Yes, ma'am.
If x was equals to y and y is equals to plus minus 1, so it's mean x is equals to plus minus 1. One thing is done. Come towards the other one. X was equals to minus 5 times y. It is x is equals to minus 5 times plus minus 1 by 3. So it is x is equals to 5 times 1 is 5 plus minus 5 by 3. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you will write down your solution set. Your solution set will be plus minus 1 x and plus minus 1 y. The other one is plus minus 1 by 3 x and plus minus 5 by 3 y. These are your answers. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes.
This exercise is lengthy, as well as different questions are involved there. Different methods are also involved there. Practice is required. You will do practice that in what type of equation we will use what type of solution. Then you can do easily. Done?
Ji, ma'am.
Okay, now come towards question number 11. Check, can you do it? Again, equation number 2 can be simplified. You can get to
Yes, ma'am.
solution. Okay, question number 12.